To send money with Zelle from Chime, you first need to ensure that you have a Chime account and the Chime mobile app. Open the Chime app on your mobile device and log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Pay Anyone or Send Money section of the app. This is usually found on the main dashboard or under the Payments tab. In this section, you will see the option to send money using Zelle. Select this option to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's information, including their name and U.S. mobile number or email address associated with their Zelle account. It is crucial to verify that the recipient's information is accurate to avoid any potential issues with the transaction. After entering the recipient's information, you will need to specify the amount of money you want to send. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Chime account to cover the transaction, including any applicable fees. Review the transaction details carefully, including the recipient's information and the amount being sent, to confirm everything is correct. If everything is in order, confirm the transaction. The money will be sent to the recipient's Zelle account, and they will receive a notification once the funds are available. It is essential to note that Zelle transactions typically occur within minutes, but the exact processing time may vary depending on the recipient's bank. To get the most out of using Zelle with Chime, it is recommended that you only send money to people you know and trust, as transactions are typically irreversible. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely send money with Zelle from your Chime account.